Deals and discounts are a best way for psychologically attracting your customer to purchase your product. So, if you're an Amazon seller or you sell your products on e-commerce online, so you must know that how deals, promotion and discounts are important to you and what is the result you get if you put some deals and discounts on your e-commerce product so you can get more and more sales and more revenue. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing with you step by step that how you can implement some promotions, some discounts to your Amazon product and how other sellers are doing this and they are getting a lot of sales. Because it's a psychology of a customer that when you're giving them discount so they can purchase more product. For example, if you're selling a pen for $5 and you are telling your customer that if they buy 3 pens, so you can give them for price of 2, like $10. So they will definitely go for purchasing more pen rather than one. So let's see in today's video that how you can do this and how your competitor are doing this to get more and more sales. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here on my computer screen, I am on a Go Box deal page of Amazon. So this is the page where you can see all the products that are giving deals today. So when I scroll down here, I can see many products, many sellers are putting deals on their page, on their product page. So you can see that there are some products having limited time deals, some products are giving you a 5% discount coupon, and some products are even giving you a more discount if you purchase more from them. For example, if you are purchasing only 1 unit, so you have to pay whole amount. But if you are purchasing 5 units, then you can get up to 20 or 30% discounts. So usually these type of listings that are giving more and more discount are getting more and more sales because everyone want to purchase some product that can save them money. So let's suppose you can see that this is a listing, Microwall 3D metal puzzle music box. So when I click on this listing, so you can see that this listing is basically selling for $26.99, but right now with deal I can purchase this for $18.89. So it is almost an $8 saving for me. And you can see that if I select 2 items, so I can get up to 10% discount. So everyone want discount, everyone want to save their money. So if you check the revenue of this product from Jungle Scout and some other products like this, so you will be able to see that this listing is getting more and more revenue as compared to other sales. So as you're already familiar now that how deals, coupons and discounts can boost your listing, can boost the sales of your listing. So let's see how you can actually apply these discounts on your product so your customer can also avail this offer and your customer can purchase more and more products from you to get some discounts. So for that you need to go to your Amazon Seller Central and you can see that right now it's 6 a.m. and I have already got 4 sales for my product, and you can see that my total balance for this month is 3,472. Like this is a balance and that Amazon has to pay me for the past 7 days. So if I click on advertising and I click on deals, so this is the profit I'm getting for 7 days for one of my products because I'm having only one product in this account. So that's all because of these deals, these vouchers and PPC. So let me show you how I applied the deals on this product and how I'm getting too much sales from this deal. So you can see that if I click on advertising and I click on promotions, so this is the tab where you can give your customer a quantity discounts. For example, you can see that create a promotion. So if you wanted to give your customer a percentage off, so you need to click on this create. And if you wanted to see your currently running promotion, so you can click on manage your promotion. So you can see that I have only one promotion running and I have put some discount, like if customer purchase 2 products from me, they will get 5% discount, and if they purchase 3 products from me, so they can get up to 10% discounts. So I make multiple combination like that, so that will help the customer to make their purchase decision. If they want more units, so they will get more discount. So let's get back to create promotion and click on create. So you need to use your mind here. You need to start reading this form and start filling this form as per the discounts you want to give. So for example, if buyer purchase at least this quantity of item, let's say 2. If my buyer will purchase at least 2 units, then they will get 5% off. If buyer purchase 2, they will get 5% off. Add tier. If buyer purchase 3, they will get 10% off. And add more tier. If buyer purchase 4, then they will get 15% off, and so on. So you can keep adding tiers and keep giving your buyers some discount. So that will make a situation in the mind of buyer that if they purchase more and more product, they will get more and more discount. So you can see that I have just set 3 tiers here. Like if they purchase 2, they will get 5% discounts, 3, 10% discount, and 4, 15% discount. So if I go down, so you can see that this is the starting date of this deal and this is the ending date. So you can just put the starting date for today, and you can just put the ending date for the last of this month, like 30th April. And if you wanted to write some internal description that your buyer can see, so you can write, so like enjoy the cool discount. And tracking ID, you can just leave it as it is. And when you go down, so claim code. So Amazon is asking that if you want to give your buyer some claim code so they can type that code and then claim a discount. No, I don't want my buyer to think too much. So I just leave the claim code and I just have to click on review. So when I click on review, then Amazon will review my deal and will see that if my product is eligible for this deal or not, and then automatically after 20 to 30 minutes this deal will start showing on my product listing. So when I was not using that deal, I was just getting 2 to 3 sales per day on this product, and as soon as I tune my PPC and I just put this discount offer, like if people buy more they can get more discount, so from that day I start getting 10 to 12 sales per day on this product. I can just show you here. If I go to reports and business reports, and today is 3rd April, so I can just show you the revenue of my March from the 1st March till 31 March. If I click on apply, so you can see that the total number of units ordered in March are 347 and the total revenue I got for 12,000. So by applying these deals, by applying these coupons, I just got too many sales and I just got too much revenue for my product. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you completely understand now that why I used to tell you every time that coupons and deals are super important to make your listing stand out. So I hope after watching this video, you will gonna apply these coupons, these deals on your listing, and you can experience a boost in your sales after applying all those deals. So if after applying these deals, you can see some boost in your sales, then you can just tell me in the comment box below that you have got increase in your sales. So I will be able to know that this trick is working for you as well. And if you wanted to ask any question about your e-commerce or Amazon business, then you can ask in the comment box below, or you can just schedule a 15 minutes call with me from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.